Hello, it's a beautiful day here at Stonehenge. Saying that, the sun's just gone in. Yeah, lovely. Today I want to talk about alternative ways of cooking when you're in the van. Right, seems how there's not much wind and it's a beautiful day, I'm going to have a bit of breakfast, but I'm not going to cook it on the gas. I'm going to save gas and I'm going to cook it on my little Trangia meths burner stove. Save some gas. Brilliant little bit of kit this is. I'll set this up and show you. Right, going to have some lemon and raisin pancakes. Heat up a little frying pan. And this is the Trangia stove, meths burner. Don't need that because that's like a built-in pot stand. But this one is infinitely better. Pour a little meths in, you don't need much. A bit more than that. Right, let's transfer you down to the floor. You can't see the flames on it, but it is burning. There's heat on there. You can see the flames now. Let's get the pancakes on the go. That's warming up nicely. That nicely toasted pancakes. Beans out, I'm a hungry man. Chuck a couple more on. Really nice. So those one's done. Lovely. Now get the kettle on. Right, while the kettle's burning, I'm going to show you this other stove. This is a wood gasification stove. This is a new one. All fits together. Basket goes in the bottom. Pot stand on the top. Now you can literally cook and boil water with this from a handful of twigs. I don't know if you can see holes going around the edge. When the smoke gets hot enough, it heats the inner chamber of this and produces gas jets which burn just like your gas ring, and they burn really well. So that gives me 3 different ways of cooking in the van: the meths burner, my gas cooker, which is hard to find the little gas bottles that fit in it in winter. But yeah, I'll demonstrate that one day. Really good bit of kit, only about £10–11 on eBay, packs down small, so handy to have in the van, along with the meths burner stove as well. When you're finished, you just pop the cap on, which extinguishes the flame. There's still meths in there, but the cap is rubber sealed, so when that's cooled down, I'll do that up, and there's methylated spirit in there for next time. It's totally sealed. Let's make a cup of tea. Right, so the meth stove is completely cooled down. Oh, cooled down. So you just seal that up tight and pop it away. It's there for next time. So there you go, 3 different ways of cooking in your van. So you're never left without a way to cook. Gas, your wood gasification stove, which you can just run on twigs or cat litter pellets, work really well on there. They burn for 45 minutes. And your spirit burner, which also fits inside the wood burning stove, so acts as a good windshield if it's windy. Take that, pop that in there when it's assembled, and you can use it in there. Although it's not as efficient, it's better to use wood in there if it's dry. So yeah, you're never left without a way to cook in your van. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe, hopefully. Yeah, let me know if there's ever subjects you want me to make videos on about living in a van. Bye bye.